Cause not pulling straight up. All right, so when you pull it, Bailey, pull straight up,
All right.
but not towards
See that
you.
potato?
And then it'll probably stay on
So
there.
you want to take these 2 potatoes? So you want the ones that look light brown like this, Bailey? Uh-oh. And then you set them in the basket. Go ahead and pull it off. Drop that on the ground if it ain't got nothing on it. Then look for the potato that was on it.
Yeah, reach down there. It should be a potato in the dirt somewhere. Yep, there go
Don't
one.
be too rough, baby. All right, and then take the potato and sit it in the basket. Yep. Sit it in the basket. Don't drop it. Nope, don't drop. All right, Pooh. Start digging. Right here. Here, you come start digging.
Dig.
You recording, Daddy? Let's see what we got on this one. Look.
Ooh.
Come on, baby, get it.
Mama, get it.
Babe, you got one on your side. Come on. No. Now pull it up, boo-boo.
Dig down right there, Bailey. You probably got something down there.
There's some more potatoes in there.
Up in here?
We got another one.
In this area right there. Yeah, just dig down in there. See if anything down there.
Yeah, we're gonna go through the dirt after we get done pulling these plants.
Don't see anything. Yeah, see, there go one right there.
Oh. Here. Don't worry. Uh-oh. Look at this mud I just stepped in. Thank God I had my boots on. Come on, Mama. Good job, Bailey. All right. Come on, girl. Get that one. I saw the potato. It fell off. There you go.
I
Set
saw
it.
it too.
Don't throw. All right, we're gonna dig. Y'all ready to dig? Oh, Bailey, got one more plant. Pull straight up.
Can we pull together?
Yeah, go over. Go around, Mama. Ma'am, start pulling. Pull this one.
Grab on the pull.
This one?
Yeah. All right. Now
All right,
that means the potatoes came off, so we're gonna dig around.
Dig around up for the potatoes.
Look, I'm finding them. You found something too, Pooh?
Yep. I found one.
Oh, look. Yep, dig all around there.
That's it. Here you go. Put them in the basket.
Okay.
Ooh, that's a big one.
So look, baby, when you dig in, go all the way, and then do your hand kind of like you stir. That's the mother one. The mother ones be so gross.
Got some stuff on it, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I thought something was crawling on it.
Oh, it was. That's why I tossed it. All right, don't scoop the dirt out, Mila. We want to keep it in the bed.
Oh, yeah.
All right, come over here and keep looking.
Mama.
She's too busy playing.
No, she'll put in the dirt back that you told her
Come on.
not to scoop out.
Come over here by me.
Oh, I think it stopped raining. Y'all got a whole basket full.
Tiny.
Now those 2 plants right here, Bailey, be careful because these are dead. All right.
I think that's it.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep digging around. Y'all can go and play in the over there a little bit. Thank you.
Let's go. Let's see how you travel.
So what happens if you leave one in there?
It's gonna grow another plant.
Oh, I'm still recording.
Well, I was still farming them.
Well, I said it because I didn't realize I was recording. Still.
But it'll stay in here and just grow another plant.
Oh.
And it'll start all over again.
What was that right there? On that something?
This the plant that they pulled up, but they couldn't find them.
Yep.
That's the mother.
Come on.
Where?
Go straight down right there. I said if that mother was that deep, probably had some deep, and sure enough, you found it.
Mm-hmm.
Rain coming again.
I'm gonna come on that side and do how I did over here. Stay away from that hanging. You keep an eye on them. So excuse how I'm looking today. As you can see, today is potato harvest day and we had to do it in the rain. So what I did was, since I saw we had about a week of rain coming, my potatoes were ready. So I put a tarp over the dirt so that it wouldn't get rained on, so that way we could harvest the potatoes in dry dirt. And it worked. So you saw the harvest, it was wonderful. And now I'm about to put them out on this wire rack in the garage next to the garlic so that they can cure, because the skins are very, very soft. Some of them I'm gonna take into the kitchen and we will cook them tomorrow, and the other ones I will leave out here to use as we need it. So I'll let you see that in just a second. So these potatoes are Yukon Gold. And I planted these on February, I believe the 16th. This is my biggest one. So my daughter and my niece helped me to harvest these potatoes. And like this is one where the skin got knocked off, so this one I'm gonna bring in the house. And you just want to be careful when you harvest them. And I did let the girls know to be careful because the skins peel off so easy that you don't want that to happen, because then you're going to have to use them right away. But we had a really, really good potato harvest. I did rinse them off a little bit because I didn't want to bring all that dirt in here. So some of them do still have just a little bit of dirt on them, because I just rinsed them off in the basket because it was raining outside. I wasn't about to take them out and do it individually like that. We're gonna have some potatoes tomorrow, so the ones that are scratched up are gonna be the ones that we eat tomorrow. And whatever still has the dirt on it, I am gonna leave it. This one's so this is a really good harvest. I did not weigh them, just to give you an idea. I'm not going to weigh them, but I'll give you an idea. The potatoes that I planted were only 9 potatoes, so I will count and see how many I got back. And these tiny little ones will definitely get cooked tomorrow. And these little ones are what we buy at the grocery store that is called new potatoes. That's what these little ones are. Let's do it. So I have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 32, 35, 38. So I planted 9 and got back 54. I believe that's what I just counted. 54 potatoes. So that's crazy. That is crazy. So this is the potato harvest. this is the potato harvest for 2025. Excellent. And then, like I said, the ones with the skins nicked off, is a couple of them up here too, but the ones with the skins nicked off and the tiny ones, I'm gonna cook tomorrow. And these this will all be gone probably within the next month. We don't eat potatoes all the time, but when we have them fresh like this, they taste so much better. So we will be eating them more often, and especially when we barbecue, we'll put some on the grill. But yeah, this is the harvest for 2025 in our new garden. Turned out great. Again, excuse what I look like. Like I said, it was raining outside, so we had to hurry up, and I had that jacket on my head. I got rained on my head. It was hot in that jacket, and I had to get it done. The girls helped me a little bit, but then I had to buckle down and get up under that soil for real to make sure that I didn't leave anything behind. And after they helped me and went to go and play, I found about 15 to 20 potatoes. So that's why you got to get all the way down up in there and make sure you got everything. But this is a really good harvest. Next year, I am going to plant it in a bigger spot because this harvest was really good. This is my this is my second time growing potatoes. This is my second time growing Yukon Golds. The first time I grew potatoes, I grew Pontiac. I think it was Pontiac. No, Red Norland. I grew Red Norland. I had a great harvest with Red Norland. That one grows like crazy. If you want to start off growing potatoes and you want your first one to be a great harvest, Red Norland grows like it's insane. And so in my first year, I grew Red Norland and a couple Yukon Gold from the grocery store. So they are so buttery that I wanted just Yukon Golds this year, and I was not disappointed. It turned out great. But thank y'all for watching. Definitely appreciate y'all tuning in. I hope y'all enjoyed that potato harvest. We absolutely love doing potato harvest. My niece loves doing it. She's here for the summer. I saved them specifically for her to come and help, and she had a good time. So I'm happy with it. But thank y'all for watching, and I will see you in the next one.